In the depths of our solar system lies a world of mystery and beauty, shrouded in clouds of sulfuric acid and enigma, Venus. But how did this fascinating planet come to be, and what forces shaped its evolution? Venus, often called Earth's twin, is the second planet from the Sun. Its thick, toxic atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. With a surface pressure 92 times that of Earth, Venus presents a harsh environment. Yet its geological features, such as vast plains and towering volcanoes, tell a story of dynamic processes. Understanding Venus's formation and evolution not only unravels the mysteries of our neighboring planet, but also provides insights into the history of our own Earth. Billions of years ago, our solar system was a chaotic maelstrom of dust and gas. This swirling mass of particles and energy was the birthplace of everything we know today. Within this primordial soup, tiny particles began to collide and coalesce, forming larger and larger bodies known as protoplanets. These collisions were not random. They were governed by the laws of physics, drawing matter together through the force of gravity. Among these protoplanets was one particularly large and rocky world, similar in size and composition to Earth. This young planet was subjected to intense bombardment from other celestial bodies, shaping its surface and core. This was the birth of Venus. Over millions of years, Venus continued to evolve, its surface and atmosphere undergoing dramatic changes. Volcanic activity, tectonic shifts, and the gradual accumulation of gases all played a role in shaping the Venus we know today. Today, Venus stands as a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. Its thick atmosphere and volcanic landscape offer clues to its tumultuous past and the forces that have shaped it over billions of years. But Venus's journey was far from peaceful. Violent collisions with other protoplanets not only shaped its surface, but also altered its trajectory, bringing it closer to the Sun. These early impacts left deep scars and craters, evidence of the chaotic environment. Over time, these collisions caused significant changes in Venus's orbit, gradually pulling it into its current position. The planet's path through the solar system was forever changed by these early tumultuous events. As Venus drew nearer to the Sun, its surface became a hellish landscape of molten rock and intense volcanic activity. Temperatures soared to over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The atmosphere, thick with carbon dioxide, created a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making the planet even hotter. Sulfuric acid clouds swirled above, adding to the toxic environment. The pressure on the surface is 90 times that of Earth, equivalent to being a mile underwater. Venus is truly a world of extremes. Meanwhile, Venus's atmosphere underwent drastic changes. Carbon dioxide, released from volcanic eruptions, filled the skies, creating a thick blanket of greenhouse gases that trapped heat and caused temperatures to skyrocket. Over time, this runaway greenhouse effect led to the extreme conditions we observe today. The surface temperature of Venus now exceeds 450 degrees Celsius, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. The thick clouds of sulfuric acid further contribute to the planet's inhospitable environment, reflecting sunlight and adding to the intense heat. Today, Venus remains a world of extremes. Its surface is shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, hiding its tortured landscape from prying eyes. But beneath this veil lies a planet that holds clues to the early history of our solar system. Venus is home to some of the most intense volcanic activity in the solar system, with temperatures hot enough to melt lead. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is crushing, over 90 times that of Earth, making it a truly inhospitable world. Despite these harsh conditions, missions to Venus have provided invaluable scientific discoveries, revealing the planet's complex and dynamic nature. Venus may be a world of mystery, but through exploration and scientific inquiry, we can unlock the secrets of its past and gain a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. The thick clouds that shroud Venus hide a landscape that is both fascinating and hostile. By studying its atmosphere and surface, scientists hope to uncover clues about the planet's history and evolution. Each mission to Venus brings us closer to unraveling the enigma of this neighboring world.